reflection. Lately nothing's coming my way. Keep drowning every bit of my devotion, sinking deeper every day. And lately I am missing my reflection. And every muddy puddle on the pavement, driving every thought into distortion. Motion, leave every obstacle behind. I promise it could happen any day now, and soon enough I'll also see the light, get a little glimpse of my emotions. Yeah, I will get it, work even harder. My mama used to say that it's the way it goes. Feeling's gonna make me smile. 냉동시키는 건 뭐냐? 아이스크림 같아. 쪼개진 거 보이세요?